Did you know a single bee produces very little honey?
Yet together, they can create massive amounts of food.
Please like and subscribe for more English learning stories. Put on this white suit before we go closer, Julie.
I admit, Thomas, I am a little nervous about this.
Do not worry, the bees are quite calm today.
Why are you using that metal can with smoke?
The smoke masks alarm pheromones and keeps them relaxed.
That is a clever trick to avoid getting stung.
Now, look closely at this wooden frame I am holding.
There are thousands of them crawling over each other.
It looks chaotic, but it is actually very organized.
I suppose they all have specific jobs to do.
Exactly, there are 3 types of bees in there.
I know about the queen, but who are the others?
The vast majority are female worker bees.
They must be the ones flying out to flowers.
Yes, they forage for food and clean the hive.
And what about the male bees?
Those are called drones, and their only job is mating.
So the females do all the heavy lifting?
Basically, yes, the workers run the whole show.
Can you spot the queen bee in this mess?
She is the larger one near the center there.
She really stands out from the smaller workers.
She is vital because she lays all the eggs.
We actually use the phrase queen bee in English.
That is a great idiom for learners to know.
It describes a woman who is dominant in her group.
Like the popular girl in school or a boss.
Exactly, someone who controls the social circle around her.
Well, this insect queen certainly commands the colony's attention.
How do they know what she wants them to do?
They communicate through complex chemical scents called pheromones.
I also heard that they dance to talk.
That is true, and it is fascinating to watch.
Look at that one shaking its body back and forth.
That is the famous Waggle Dance you are seeing.
What is she telling the other bees right now?
She is giving directions to a good nectar source.
That is incredibly smart for such a small creature.
The angle of the dance indicates the direction.
And the speed tells them how far away it is.
You clearly know your bee facts very well, Julie.
I just love how hard they work for the colony.
That reminds me of another common English expression.
Are you thinking of the phrase busy as a bee?
Yes, let us explain that one to our listeners.
If someone is busy as a bee, they are industrious.
It means they are working very hard and moving quickly.
For example, I was busy as a bee cleaning yesterday.
These workers certainly never seem to take a break.
How long does a worker bee usually live?
In the summer, they only live about 6 weeks.
That is so short, they literally work themselves to death.
Sadly, yes, their wings eventually wear out from flying.
It makes me appreciate the honey they make even more.
Speaking of honey, notice the capped cells here.
Is that where they store the honey for winter?
Correct. They reduce the moisture so it never spoils.
It is amazing that honey found in ancient tombs is edible.
It is truly one of nature's perfect foods.
Bees are also essential for pollinating our crops.
We would have a major food crisis without them.
I have heard their populations are declining recently.
Pesticides and habitat loss are big problems for them.
That is why your backyard hive is so important.
I try to plant bee-friendly flowers nearby too.
We should all try to help protect these pollinators.
Even leaving wild dandelions helps them in the spring.
I will remember not to mow my lawn so often.
Shall we go inside and try some fresh comb?
I would love to taste it straight from the hive.
Be careful taking off the suit, do not rush.
I will follow your lead so I stay safe.